This is one of the largest and strongest eagles in the world. Meet the Philippine eagle, the monkey-eating eagle. Endemic to the forests of the Philippines, they are considered as the largest of the extant eagles in the world, in terms of length and wing surface area. They have brown and white colored plumage, and a beautiful saggy crest. They can grow up to 102 centimeters or 40 inches in length, and weigh up to 8 kilograms or 18 pounds, with only Steller's sea eagle and harpy eagle being larger in terms of weight and bulk. They were initially known as the Philippine monkey-eating eagle because it was believed that they fed on monkeys almost exclusively, which is a misconception.